Hey, I'm Roland with Mobile Geeks, and we're right here at the Intel Future Showcase in Hamburg, Germany. And what we've got right here is a really interesting project by Luciano and his friends from the Saarland University in Germany. And what they're doing is called Display as a Service, and they're basically using a central server or different devices to actually put lots of different contents onto many displays of different sizes. Luciano, let's get rolling.
Hi. So I will present you Display as a Service. The approach for this solution is to virtualize the display properties. Each display knows its own resolution, size, borders, position, and other capabilities. For example, if it can only display mono or also stereo 3D content, and where it's located in the in the room. We can now stream from multiple sources. In this case, it's just one source, my laptop over here. I have a screen grabbing application where I'm just grabbing my desktop, which is appearing here. Unfortunately, Wi-Fi today isn't too good because we have 250 Ultrabooks in it, but it's still working. So I'm displaying, I'm just streaming my desktop content and then video. This is coming from the same laptop, but it could also come from completely separate machines, from any number of machines, over standard network, in this case Wi-Fi, even over the internet if there's enough bandwidth to stream the video. I can interact with it, I can scale it, I can move it around. I can scale it. I have to mention it's still in research, so this is no finished product. And just interact with multiple remote machines on this display as it would be one machine, just as I interact with my email client browser with any window on my desktop machine. What I can also do is I know the position and size. I can take another one, move them next to each other, and with a small gesture. So this works now. Come on, Wi-Fi, don't die on me. Just pinch them together and fuse them into one larger display. Then it takes a second to generate the actual stream, because each display gets a dedicated stream. This one somehow doesn't want to, I'll let it just here. So it's a peer-to-peer connection between the source and each display. A dedicated video stream, live encoded H.264, streamed over RTSP. Only the pixels which are visible. So that means currently the video is divided into two parts. Bezels are left out. Only the pixels which are visible are streamed over. If we have to scale it down, we do it at the source side. If we have to scale it up, we do it at the display side to save as much bandwidth as possible. I'm not just limited to two displays. I can use any amount of displays. I can use displays of different sizes, and I can arrange in any way I want. I can, for example, take another one, rotate it, and pinch it together just as this position. I think I misaligned it slightly. We will see this in a second. When the stream appears, yes. So my pinch wasn't accurate enough. I will just reconfigure it more accurately this time. I can interact with the stream on any of those devices and just use it from wherever I want. I will just use another one. I can also leave some gaps, so I will just pinch that one here. And as we just use the visible pixels and we can locate each pixel in the world, we can automatically compensate for these gaps.
Hamburg is rather huge for Germany.
So if you're basically streaming your desktop contents from the other computer over there, can you actually interact with the desktop of that one, or?
In general, yes. In this demo now, because we just for demo purposes implemented the interaction with the streams themselves. But as I know where I touch and I can locate this in the world as well, because I have touchscreen information and display information, I can decide which window I am interacting with. So, for example, if I move my finger here, nothing happens. If I use it on any of those visible pixels, you see that it follows my finger. And I could just use the same information to interact with the application itself on the desktop.
All right. So who's actually developing this? You said you were Intel sponsoring this, and
I'm from from the German Research Center for Artificial Intelligence, DFKI. We are collaborating with Intel through the Intel Visual Computing Institute and Saarland University, located in Saarbrücken, Germany. And we are developing it in this joint cooperation.
Alright. So that was Roland with Mobile Geeks with Display as a Service on 4 Lenovo Yoga Ultrabooks right here. Thank you.